Hey, please don't forget to subscribe, and I hope you enjoy the video.
Let me show you these here blowers. I have an Ego Power Plus blower, 530 CFM, and I have a Toro Flex Force 60 volt blower. Let's check them out. This is the 530 CFM, and it has the regular switch here, and then it has a turbo switch here. For Toro, the regular switch here, and then the turbo switch on the top as well. There's a switch here that you can put down, and what that does is hold the trigger for you. Now the Ego does not have that, but what the Ego does have is this little control here for power. That's less, and that right there is more. So I never change it really. It stays here because why don't you need more power, right? So now, although this may not be a CFM to CFM comparison, these are the two blowers that I have, so these are the two that I'm gonna give you some feedback on. As far as the weight, there is no big difference at all. So which one should you get?